accounting transaction. First of all, we are gonna make payments. Select the bank or petty cash, for example petty, and for example we are paying taxes. Select miscellaneous. If you are paying to the customer or supplier, select that, and the payment type, for example cash. You can select any type of expense, for example utility expenses, electricity expenses. Okay, here you can select the cost factor also, or you can say the dimension 1200, memo, electricity bill of 2000 October 2009. At the same manner you can add multiple transactions, right? Add multiple transaction in the same manner and then process. You can add this memo also. You can add transactions of date. For example, you can mention it over here that you are doing the transactions of 26th of October 2009. You can add multiple transaction, and at the end you can get the memo that these all the transactions were on the date of 26th of October, and then process payment. You can view the GL posting that you have made, 1200 from petty cash. You can enter another payments. Similarly, we are moving towards the deposits. For example, Habib Bank Karachi, we opened that account in the previous video, and now we are miscellaneous. For example we are taking money from the customer and through cash, and the cash, for example, is 12,000 rupees, like 20,000 memo. You can add multiple transactions. For example, you received any sort of accounts receivable of rupees 10,000. You can add memo. Amount enter is not valid. Okay. Process deposit. You can view GL posting for that. You have total debit in Habib Bank account is this amount, and these were the transactions you made just before that. Moving on towards the bank transfer, you can make bank transfer from one bank to another, or from petty cash to any bank. For example, from Habib Bank, I want to transfer some money from Habib Bank to UB Bank. Amount can be 10,000 cash, reference number, amount transferred on 26th of 10, 2009, suppose, and to transfer. Not making any payments, you are not making any deposit, you are just transferring from one account to another. Similarly, journal entries, these are the two-way entries. For example, we are paying electricity bill of 100 rupees 1000. If it is a reverse entry, for example, you had done any transaction by chance and that was a wrong transaction, you can make it as a reverse transaction by clicking this option. Electricity expenses of October 2009. Add it, and that was credited back our that was credited by our cash, or for example from retained earning or any bank account. We have made this transaction against any bank account. Until and unless both debits and credits are not equal, this option will not be appear. After both debit and credit are balanced, then this option will be highlighted and you can make process journal entry. You can view the entry. Here it is. Okay, this was all about the transaction area of banking and general ledger and accounting section. In the next section we will be maintaining report section and the inquiry section, and here is our contact information. Till the next video, take care and goodbye.